Hi folks, thanks for coming to watch one more video at the iLookup Sharing Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about how you can try to recover an apparently burnout headlight from your car. Sometimes the light bulb just releases break the filament. In other words, there is an electrical wire or a spring wire inside the light bulb that can break or release. So first, turn the ignition on. Do not start the engine and turn on the headlights. Now you give a few knocks on your light bulb base. There we go. You see, with the ignition and headlights on, it passes energy, and when the filament hits the other area, it kind of does a weld and your light bulb back to work again. As you can see, it's well welded and it's a great tip when going on a trip for avoiding traffic tickets. Give it a thumbs up and press thanks button if this video helped you to fix yours. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.